नंबर 20 सूरत ताहा आयत नंबर 111।
وعنت الوجوه للحي القيوم وقد خاب من حمل ظلما.
And all faces will be humbled before the ever-living, all-sustaining. And those burdened with wrongdoing and injustice will be in loss. Message from this ayat. After polytheism, Almighty Allah dislikes the act of oppression the most. Almighty Allah dislikes oppression and oppressors so much that He accepts the supplication of the oppressed non-believers against a Muslim oppressor. This is not because Allah loves the non-believers, nor because He dislikes the Muslims, but only because He loves justice and hates injustice. Ibn Taymiyyah's rahmatullah alayh historical phrase in this regard is noteworthy. He says, "Surely Allah helps a just government, even though it might be of non-believers, against a cruel government, even though it might be of a Muslim." A person sent a letter to Abdullah ibn Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, in which it was written, "Send me all the knowledge available with you in writing." In response, Ibn Umar wrote, "Knowledge is very vast, but if you can ensure that you meet Almighty Allah on the Day of Judgment in the following situation, then do it definitely, especially when you are associated with or in charge of their collective affairs. Don't have people's blood on your back. Don't have people's wealth in your stomach. Your tongue should be protected from insulting their honor. God bless you."